Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for stopping by the channel. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video today because a special package came from Hanhart, which is an amazing German brand. I had a chance to catch up with them at the Toronto Timepiece Show last month, and they featured some really cool timepieces. I actually pre-ordered this one that finally shipped out. So let's open it up and take a look at the latest Hanhart to enter the collection. So here's the box. It's actually a collaboration with a famous German magazine. A nice Hanhart luggage tag to go with the watch. Oh, also a nice pen to go with it too. And I always really enjoy these handcrafted leather watch rolls that usually accompany most of their timepieces. And here it is. This is one of their Preventor series of HD12 watches that has their hardened case and bracelet, but this one comes with a limited edition silk purple dial. So let me get it out and take off the plastics. And here's a closer look at the watch without the stickers on it. Let me get it started up. Ooh, very nice crown action to this guy. I believe they're using a Sellita SW200 or equivalent Swiss movement to power this particular timepiece. I really wasn't sure how deeply saturated the purple was on this particular dial, but it's kind of like a grape purple, not too dark to be black, but I think it just adds enough contrast to those white hands and the hour markers as well. So very nice touch. One of the other things I really like about these releases is they have their updated clasp now, which is not only hardened, but you also have their on-the-fly micro adjustment system. So you can push this in and give yourself a little bit more room, which is a really nice touch as well. So let me quickly throw this on the wrist to see how it looks. Now for reference, my wrist is 7.5 inches. Or 19 centimeters if you use the metric system. And yeah, it's about a 39 millimeter diameter watch, but I think wears quite well, is very legible, and low in profile. Now before closing out the video, I'll just give it a quick blast with my UV torch to check the lume action. So yeah, pretty decent lume application on this as well. Of course, a little bit later, I'm going to release a full review on my YouTube channel, but this is just a quick unboxing and first impressions, which it feels like a very good quality timepiece, and I'm looking forward to getting some wrist time with it. So thanks for watching, guys, and I can't wait to catch you in the next video.